What is up? It is me, Addie here, and before I get this video started, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share this video with a friend, and tell them to share it to somebody, and just repeat this cycle so I can get more subscribers. I'm almost to 200. Well, not almost, but I'm close. So, please do that. And let's get on with the video. Okay, so for today, we're going to be digging into this huge bin of fidgets I have. Now, these aren't even all my fidgets, but there's a lot, and we're going to play with that fidget and rate it. So, I'm going to close my eyes and pick. So, let's start for the first one. Oh, this guy. So, it's my flippy octopus puppet. I really like this puppet. It's just I don't like the big one in the middle, but you know, it's still pretty fun to play with if you just like do this. And then I like how there's colors on the other side. That's really cool. And I like its little face. It's like, you can see. Yeah. And then I really like the pops, the actual puppet on the tentacles, because they're really good. And I love how smooth it is. So let's go to the next one. I'm going to put all the ones I choose aside. And this is going to be a bit of a shorter video. And there might be some other stuff in here that aren't fidgets, but like we'll count them anyway because they're my fidget bin. Ooh, we have my massive orange pop tube. Headphone warnings for those who have headphones, because I know sometimes these can be loud. So yeah, I love pop tubes. They're so fun, and I love how they sound when you do this. It sounds like you're feeling something. It's very satisfying. So. Oh, okay, we got this. So, this took me a really long time to do, actually. So I have a backstory behind this. So I made it into my own homemade type of fidget. So instead of like popping it, because it was originally a pop, I do have the other things somewhere. I don't know where they are though. But instead of that, it's like a thing where you could just squish it and have your fingers through it and just kind of like mess with it like that. And I do really like it. It just isn't the best. I don't know really why I did it. I kind of regret it, but it is a cool idea. I'm not looking. Okay. So, again, a bit of a story with this. It's really gross and dirty because the emojis get dirty super easily. But it's a little turtle. And I didn't throw out any of my dirty turtles because I had like 10 of them. And everyone at school, I still don't know if this is true or not, but everyone at school told me that they were super rare, the turtle ones. And I had a whole bunch of them because I found them at a dollar store. So I had like a whole bunch of them, and I gave them to people, and I sold them on the street for like $1, and I sold them at school after school for like $1. And I made pretty good money. But yeah, so that's why I still have them. And okay, so let's do the next one. Oh, this pop! I love this puppet. It's a little dirty though, but that's okay. I do like this puppet. So it's a little drink puppet. These pops are so good. I got it from a fidget pack, which there's way more fidgets in here that are from a fidget pack, which I probably already looked at. I'm pretty sure the Flippy Octopus was from the fidget pack, and so was the turtle. But listen to these pops though. Like they're really good. Sorry about that. My phone fell. It's supposed to be my phone box. Yep. Oh, it's upside down. No, it's not good. That's good. No, that's not good. One second. Okay, we're good now. So yeah, I do really like this. I'm going to say a 10 out of 10. I pulled out this little octopus. I got this at school. I hate it. Not that I hate it, but I really don't like it because I won't even been popping them, and these ones will pop if I pop them. It's kind of like a pop-up ball. So, not a fan of this one, but it's okay. See, they pop, but they are really good pops though. But it pops without me popping, so I'm not a fan. There's that. Oh, I love this one. So it got a little dried up, sadly. But so it's Peachy Babies. I love Peachy Babies. I got a Peachy Baby slime. It's Fairy Dust Fizz, and it's so nice And I haven't played with it actually in a long time, so it's a little dried up. But oh my gosh, I love this slime. And it smells so good. It's not an icy slime, it's a crunchy slime. I don't know the exact type, but it's so, it makes really good bubble pops too. I love the color, but like the little beads, there's a lot of fallout. Like, I love it. And then if I look how pretty that looks when I, yeah. Oh my gosh, I have to be really careful when I put stuff up on my phone because it'll keep falling. But this is like over 10 10. I love it. So this one, okay. So it's this slime, and oh my god, why did it get better? Okay, so it got better, but it was like really hard. It's really hard. It's like a butter slime. I hate this color, and it's like not stretchy at all, but it's like a good just thing to play with. And then the foam beads, there is so much fallout, so I just have to like carefully play with it, or else there will be like beads everywhere. So this is like, I don't know, a 2 out of 10. Oh, this one is my favorite pop. So this one actually just came out on its own, but it's okay. It's so cute, and it's like, yeah, really like how they're hearts, and then they're good pops too, like, so that one's a good one. I don't really have a really, I looked. Okay, so this one is a fidget cube. So it's just like this little ASMR cube, and it's just a puzzle. It's kind of useless, honestly. Let's see. This one's also pretty dirty. It's a dimple spinner. But I do like it. It's fun. Pretty. So I'm going to give this a 5 out of 10, you know? 5.5. Oh, this one. So I got this at school because if you don't know, I have an anxiety disorder. So I go to a special school. So I went back to district, to a regular school for a while. And it was hard, so I went back to my new school, the school I'm at now. But the person who gave this to me used to work at the school I went to. I'm not saying the name of the school for reasons, or the name of the teacher. I'm just going to say Miss J because her last name started with a J. But, so she moved from the school I'm at now to the school that I was at district, which, if you don't know, district is like the main thing, because I know some people don't know what it means. But I hated social studies then, so she gave me this to help me with social studies, and I forget what his name was, but he loved social studies as well, so I would always bring him to social studies with me. I'm gonna wear him for the rest of the video, because he's really cute, and he's really cute, but I think I do have a yellow one actually. I'm not sure what it is. If you don't know, yellow is my favorite color, and I love yellow, so look at it. This is not a fidget, but I will show you what it is. Some of you guys probably know what it is. Oh, never mind, I can't show you, but there's like a Hogwarts character in here. I really like it. She's probably in here somewhere. This. Okay. So this was the first time I tried the cutting technique with the scissors, and I'd never done it before. But I do really like this puppet. It's not my favorite, but it's like a Christmas puppet. I don't really have a rating for that one. This squishy. Okay, this is one of my first squishies. It's so adorable. If you don't know what Smooshy Mushy is, it used to be the biggest thing ever. And there was like the big ones, and it was like animal mixed with food, and it had a little buddy. So this one was like an Oreo narwhal. It's cute. Oh, this one is one of my newest fidgets. I love elephants, if you don't know that. So it's like a cute little elephant puppet, and there's another one of these, which I'll just take out. So there's both of these. I'm gonna have to say this one color-wise is my favorite, but this one pop-wise is my favorite. But and then yeah, I love them both. Really cute. I got them for my birthday. I'm going to be getting a stitch puppet soon, hopefully. Oh, another Peachy Baby slime. So this one is a little deactivated, so it might, yeah, it's a little sticky, but it's a cloud slime or an icy slime. I really do love this slime. It is blackberry, I believe, the scent. But it's a really nice slime. It's just kind of sticky and watery. But it's really nice. I really like it soft. So this one's probably another 10 out of 10, like over 10 out of 10, because I love it. I have another one, but I really don't like that one because it got all mixed up. So this is not a fidget, but I will rate it anyway. It's a little bracelet. It has a little panda on it. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, my camera actually focused today. But yes, it has those little beads and then a little panda with a little gemstone. So that one's good. I'm gonna put it back so it doesn't get lost. There's a fidget that goes to this. I have it at school. But it's like a little squishy egg. I really like it. I'd rate that 10 out of 10. I have some other fidgets. Okay, you saw them. You saw them, but that's okay. I heard something fall. I have a lot of fidgets. Oh, this one. Okay, I have another story to tell, apparently. So this one broke. I got it at school. It's a metal slinky. I do very much still love it, but it's like, looks like this. It's still a slinky. It still works like a slinky. But so the day I got this, my teacher started playing with it, and every kid, and we played for like 80 minutes just with this slinky, and we would keep stacking things, maybe even more, maybe like an hour, and we were doing it until lunch the whole morning, so probably more than an hour, probably like 2 hours or something. And for the whole morning we were playing with it, like we kept stacking stuff and seeing if it would do it, and it was like a good lesson to help communicate with each other and skills and stuff, and it was really fun. It was cute too. Everyone was just like, "Wow! Oh my gosh, Addison, it's so cool! It's so cool you got that." So, Slinky, 10 out of 10, love it. I love Slinkies. So, I'm gonna start putting this stuff back because I don't have a lot of room anymore, and this video is almost over. So, I'm going to choose 2 fidgets that I choose with look, and I'm going to look at these ones. I'm going to choose 2 of these fidgets, rate them, and then we'll get on with the next part of the video. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to do this one. So I got this at Walmart, I think. But it's this huge squishy. I love it so much, and there's so much cool stuff you can do with it. Like, look. I don't know if you're supposed to do this or it could pop, but it's really fun. Again, you're probably not supposed to do this, but you get like some of this stuff out. Like, okay, wait. Look, I got some of this stuff out, and it's kind of melted. It used to be like different, but it kind of melted. It's kind of like glue now. I need to think my way on this stuff out. But yeah, that's it, and I really love it. So I'm gonna rate this like I'm building up 10. Let's see what the next one's going to be. I'm digging hard. This one! Yes, I was hoping I got this. I love this puppet. It's so nice. I don't really have a rating for it, but it's really cute, and I got this for Valentine's Day. Okay, so let's move on with the next part of our video. Okay, so this is the next part. So, can you guess what we're unboxing today for unboxing? I only have 1 to unbox today, but that's okay. No, you don't know? You don't know? Okay, so we're going to rate it together. It's a mini squishmallow, and I got the white because apparently you have a higher chance of getting an axolotl on the white, and I really want an axolotl. I already have this guy. I have another one. I just don't remember who I have. But, yeah, I really want the axolotl. because I love axolotls. I love Archie. Can I even open this? These things are so hard to open. Jeez. I'll come back to you when I finish opening it. Gotta open. I had to use my teeth though. I'm so excited to see what it is. I didn't see it. I did not see it. I'm not looking. I think it's an axolotl because I saw the color. I'm pretty sure the axolotls are orange, but it's still not the axolotl. I really don't know what it is. I really hope it's an axolotl, but if it's not, it's okay. Also, I'm going to be getting the Squishmallow cards. So I'm gonna get some more of these and then get some of those. I need to get this part off. Gotta open. This looks so pretty. I really don't want to open this. I really like the white. So you ready? 3, 2, 1. Opened. Oh, yes! I didn't get the axolotl, but I got the octopus guy. I love her. She's really cute. Not who I wanted, but so cute. I wish they had little mini text so you can know their names. They don't have names. The mini ones. Still really cute, and there's yellow there, and there's orange, and those are my favorite colors. And look how cute she is. She's so adorable. Not an axolotl, but I will be hunting for the axolotl. If there even is an axolotl in these. I think there is, but I really don't know. And that was all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you liked it. And don't forget to follow me on Roblox at Addy_girl0814. Addy with ID uppercase ADDIE _GURL0814. And if you go on my profile, you'll see my group and join my group. And I will be doing Robux giveaways and Adopt Me giveaways and maybe even Royal High giveaways. So, and other giveaways. If I get stuff in Murder Mystery, maybe Murder Mystery giveaways. And a whole bunch of other giveaways. Also, Robux giveaways. So, if you guys liked and you want to be a part of that, make sure to like, subscribe. And if you are able to, because I know sometimes YouTube makes it so you're not able to. But if you are able to, well, comment down below if you want to see more stuff like this or any other stuff. Love you guys. Addy out.